Welcome to Key to Home, your guide to exceptional properties. Today, we're introducing you to 24,763 Upper Trail, a stunning arts and crafts style home located in the breathtaking coastal town of Carmel, California. Priced at $2,250,000, this single-family home offers an unbeatable blend of elegance, comfort, and convenience. Built in 1986 and meticulously maintained by its original owners, this three-bedroom, three-bathroom residence spans 2,318 square feet on a 5,100 square foot lot. With panoramic views stretching from Carmel Bay to the iconic Point Lobos, every corner of this home feels connected to the beauty of nature. Inside, you'll find a bright and inviting living space with open beam ceilings, skylights, and large windows designed to capture the light and scenery throughout the day. The gas starter fireplace adds warmth and charm, while the thoughtfully designed kitchen features a gas cooktop, electric oven, tiled countertops, and a functional pantry, ideal for hosting or daily meals. Upstairs, the primary suite offers a private retreat with expansive ocean views and an adjacent office space, perfect for work or quiet reflection. On the lower level, a private bedroom with a separate entrance and its own deck provides flexibility for guests or additional living options. Outdoor living is a dream here, with a spacious deck that blurs the line between indoor and outdoor spaces, making it the perfect spot to enjoy the coastal breeze and Carmel's natural beauty. Located just minutes from downtown Carmel and the beach, this home offers easy access to everything the Monterey Peninsula has to offer, from world-class dining and shopping to unforgettable outdoor adventures. Additional features include a one-car garage, energy-efficient low-flow toilets, and accessibility upgrades like grab bars. With a price of $971 per square foot, this timeless craftsman home delivers value as well as character. Don't miss the opportunity to own this exceptional property at 24,763 Upper Trail. Contact us at Key to Home for more information or to schedule a private tour. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more incredible listings that bring you one step closer to your dream home.